Welcome back to our series, How to Use YouTube for Customer Support. In this video, we're covering a crucial part of video performance on YouTube, search engine optimization, or SEO. If you're creating support videos for your customers, it's not enough to simply upload the content. You need to make sure it gets found. So let's break down the core elements that directly impact your YouTube SEO.
Let's start with the most important factor, your video title. YouTube gives the highest priority to titles when indexing your content. Make sure your title is clear, brief, and accurately describes what your video is about. And don't forget to include who you are. We already covered in depth how to build effective titles in the previous video, but let's remember some basics. This is your first chance to be seen, so use plain language and avoid unnecessary jargon. Include a brief explanation of what the video is about, as well as the name of your company, product, or playlist. And remember, YouTube doesn't provide context for the customer, so be specific about what your video covers.
Next, let's look at the description. This field allows up to 5,000 characters, and you should take full advantage of it. The first two sentences are what most users see by default because they start above the fold. So they should be short, compelling, and clearly tell the viewer what to expect. It also helps to include the primary call to action link in the first two sentences. After that, we recommend including additional content to help search engines and YouTube understand what your video is about using a structured format. Follow the summary with any relevant links such as account logins, support pages, and playlists. You'll notice I suggest adding links in both of the first two sections of the description. This is because you never want to leave a dead end for your customer. No matter what the video is about, you want to provide an easy way for the customer to continue to use your self-service options. For example, if your video is about how to log in, then provide them the link to your account portal where they log in. After you provide helpful links, repeat the video title in full. And finally, include the written transcript of your video. Transcripts are keyword-rich and highly valuable for search engines. When you're considering content for your video's description, remember the first two parts are for your customer. The rest is designed for search engines.
Now, let's talk about tags. At the time this was filmed, YouTube states that tags have minimal impact on your video's SEO. However, our experience suggests otherwise. Use accurate, high-intent keywords that align with your video topic, but avoid using the same handful across all your videos.
That can hurt your ranking and get your content flagged as spam. Make sure you think strategically about what people would search to find your video.
To be effective, your tags should be a combination of words and short phrases.
Always keep in mind that more than just your metadata impacts your SEO. You also need to think about where you plan on using your video content. Embedding your videos on your owned digital properties like your website or support portal sends a strong credibility signal to YouTube. This tells the platform that your content is trusted and relevant, increasing its chances of appearing in search results. A mistake many companies make is uploading the same video to multiple sites and platforms, which dilutes your SEO. Upload the video one time and then embed and link to it from everywhere you need it. This consolidates your SEO and helps increase the visibility of your content.
Let's not forget about playlists. While they're mostly used for organizing content, playlists can also improve discoverability. Our research shows that videos placed properly within playlists tend to receive more views. Make sure your support videos are grouped logically within topic-based playlists like we covered in our third video.
Additionally, closed captions play an important role in assuring your video is accessible to all users. But captions are about more than accessibility. They also help with SEO. You can even add captions in multiple languages to increase your global reach. While I recommend producing videos entirely in another language, it might not be economically feasible to do this for your entire customer base. Adding closed captions for your top customer demographics is a way to cheaply and easily accomplish that goal.
Finally, don't skip the Show More section when uploading your videos. Here's where you can add critical metadata, like the video language, recording date, location, category, and more. Each of these fields gives YouTube more context to accurately classify and surface your video.
To wrap up, great content deserves to be discovered. By optimizing your title, description, tags, metadata, and more, you're giving your support videos the best chance to be seen and to serve your customers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the full series on using YouTube for customer support. We'll see you in the next video.